This is the Genesis G80. As part of an advanced driver assistance system, the Genesis G80 is equipped with lane keeping assist and lane following assist systems. When the vehicle begins to depart its lane without its turn signals on, lane keeping assist will automatically assist the driver's steering to help them get back to the lane. Note that the lane keeping assist function relies on the front view camera, so it is important to make sure there aren't any decals or debris covering this area. Lane keeping assist can be turned on and off by pressing and holding down the lane driving assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. When activated, the lane keeping assist icon will illuminate green. If conditions are not met, the icon will be gray. By switching the instrument cluster to driving assist view, you can also view the detected lane markers, which are highlighted in green. After enabling lane keeping assist, the system will activate if the vehicle begins to depart its lane without using its turn signal. The lane being crossed will blink in the driving assist view, and the system may help steer the vehicle to prevent lane departure. To enable or disable this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety, and then Lane Safety. To customize the alert type, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. Here, the warning volume can be adjusted along with the haptic steering wheel vibration alert. Enabling Lane Safety Audible Warning off means the warning volume will not make any sound when the haptic warning is selected. Driving Safety Priority lower all other audio volume when the warning alert sounds. Note that if you change the warning methods here, the warning methods of other driver assistance systems may change as well. The Lane Following Assist feature is designed to help detect lane markings and vehicles ahead, and will provide steering assistance to help position you in the lane. Lane Following Assist can be turned on and off by quickly pressing the Lane Driving Assist button located on the left side of the steering wheel. When the Lane Following Assist indicator is green, it shows that it is in operating state. When the Lane Assist indicator is gray, it means that it's on standby. When the indicator is blinking white and changes to gray, it means that the conditions aren't met for system operation and steering is not assisted. While using these systems, the driver must always keep their hands on the steering wheel, or a warning message to keep your hands on the steering wheel will appear along with an audible tone. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.